How to check if someone is stalking you on Instagram. See who views your profile. What if you could actually know who keeps visiting your Instagram profile? Maybe you've noticed someone keeps liking old photos, or you're just curious who's watching your every post. Today I'm going to give you the real, honest truth about Instagram profile views in 2026 and show you the legitimate tools Instagram actually gives you to get as close to that answer as possible. Let's get into it. Here's the reality first. Instagram does not officially allow you to see a full list of everyone who visits your profile. Anyone or any app claiming to show you a complete profile visitor list is not telling you the truth. But Instagram does give you several genuine signals you can use, and I'm going to walk you through all of them right now. Step 1. Check your story viewers. Open Instagram and post a story or check an existing active one. Swipe up on your story and you will see a full list of every account that has watched it. This is the single most reliable way to see who is actively watching your content and visiting your profile regularly. Step 2. Check your close friends' story views. If you post a story to your close friends list, you get an even more focused view of who among your inner circle is actively engaging and keeping tabs on your content. Step 3. Switch to a professional or creator account to unlock Instagram insights. Go to Settings and Privacy, tap Account Type in Tools, and select Switch to Professional Account. Once switched, go to your profile, tap the Insights button, and you can see Reach Profile Visits and Account Activity, including how many unique accounts visited your profile in the last 7 or 30 days. Step 4. Pay attention to your interaction signals. Go to your Notifications tab and review who consistently likes your posts within minutes of you posting, who regularly views and replies to your stories, and who keeps engaging with your older content. These behavioral patterns are the most honest real-world signal that someone is actively following your profile closely. Step 5. Review your followers list for unfamiliar accounts. Go to your followers list and scroll through. If you spot accounts you don't recognize that have little to no posts, no profile picture, or are following far more people than follow them back, these are common signs of a lurker or secondary account someone created just to watch your profile silently. Here's your pro tip. If you suspect a specific person is watching your profile through a fake or secondary account, post a story with a very specific and unique detail, like a niche question or a specific location reference, and see who reacts or mentions it. It's a natural and smart way to surface who is genuinely paying close attention without any third-party tools involved. And that's everything. You learned how to use story views, Instagram insights, notification patterns, and follower audits to get the clearest picture possible of who is keeping a close eye on your profile. No sketchy apps, no terms of service violations, just the real tools Instagram gives you. Use smartly. If this video gave you the clarity you were looking for, hit that like button and subscribe for more real Instagram tips that actually work in 2026. And drop a comment below. Did any of these steps surprise you? I read every single one.